All right. Yes, we are doing the butterfly locks. So when we are starting the butterfly locks, you can see how we're trying to hook it the way it's supposed to be, and then you start rolling. Yes, here there are two things that you need to note. One is that we first plait the hair only. So after plating the hair only, as you can see it, yeah, well arranged, because you need to first arrange it very nicely, and then after you bring this hair piece, and then you crochet it. Yeah, the hair piece you can use spring twist. You can use spring twist. It is very okay with it. Yes, and still you can still use the passion twist. Yeah, so it is very okay. Those materials you can use them and have the butterfly locks. So as after crocheting the after crocheting the passion twist or spring twist, from that box that you have done with the braiding only the hair. Yes, the only thing you have to do is doing the wrapping, like wrapping, that as you've been seeing that we are doing. But for that one, you need to be somehow very like, you just have to wrap it softly. I don't know what I'm saying. It came. Most people know that they think it's painful, and I know why they say that. It's just because when we used to plait fox locks, most people used to, like others used to use bad methods, and they would make it more painful. So they think it's the same thing with the butterfly locks, thinking that it's painful. But I always tell you, they think that there's no hair that doesn't pain, but as long as how do you plait it, you understand. So even if you plait cornrows, even if you plait weave, even if you do braids, it can pain. But as long as you plait it nicely, there's no any way it can pain, or there's no any way it can break your hair. So when after crocheting this one from that portion that you have done, you just have to wrap it as you've been saying. But wrapping, you just have to wrap very softly. So let's just take a look on this one. Yes, this is the hairpiece, and I told you, you just need to be creative, like creating your own colors, and that is like mixing. You can just mix and create your own colors. So after crocheting like this, remember our hair is already plaited, so there's no need you would make the butterfly locks very hard or very tight, you understand, because you would be doing that if the hair was not plaited first, you understand. Yes, you'd be doing that if the hair was not plaited first, because there you'd be trying to make it tight so that it cannot come out. But here the hair is plaited inside, so this one you just have to wrap it softly, not making it hard at all. So after doing that, you can see that we try to mix the colors so that we get like different colors. So it's all about you, like, what you will choose to use. Yes, but it's all the same thing. Yeah, I told you that we always need to be creative. So when you're done with that, wrapping it, as you can see, try to be very soft. As I told you, you try to be very soft, not making it hard at all. Yes, and then you have to measure according to the height that you're trying to do. Yeah, if it's a bob, or if it's trying to be if you're doing this something that is very long, still you need always to measure so that your your braids can be equal. Yes, they can be equal, as you can see. Yes, try to measure so that you shouldn't make it very long. So after you wrap it going up, and then you come back doing it up like that. So that one, it means the endings are also going to be very, very smart. The only thing you should do here, realize that there's some people who do it and you find that it is not equal. You find that like it's big and then it comes as it is reducing up on the tip, and sometimes it looks funny when you're doing the bob. So it should always be equal. Yes, it should always be equal when you're doing the bob. So let's do the styling, because I told you we are going to do something that is 2 in 1. This is how the butterfly looks, our bob, and now we are going to do the styling. Styling, I always tell you that, guys, styling comes from it comes from the head. It comes from the head, like what you feel you're doing. So you as a learner, what you should always do is to know the basics. You understand? You is to know the basics. So number one, the basics are this. I told you this thing several times. I always tell you that when the forehead is short, sometimes it is always hard to do a side way. But when your forehead is long, then a side way looks very perfect. So this one had a short forehead, but I tried to do my line, like to make a line like on a sideway line, but I tried to pull it, but it was a little bit down, not on that sideway line. So like I was just trying to pull it out, because her forehead was very short. And another thing is we are doing the basics. Another thing is when you're styling, the pins are not supposed to be showing. But right now here, you can see them, because here I'm just trying to do the basic. I'm just trying to do the how can I call it? It's like a demonstration. I'm not after I'm going to sew it, because she wants something that is going to stay there for long. You understand? So for me, I'm doing it with my pins. Then after I sew it, then I remove the pins. So, but for you, when you're trying to do the styling, you have one basic is to learn how the forehead of your client is, and then another thing, when you're styling, suppose your pins are not supposed to be showing. Yes, try to make sure that all the pins are hidden. That there you'll be a good stylist. So this is what I'm also trying to do here. Yes, I'm almost forgot to introduce myself, but my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much, those ones who have been with me ever since I started. And thank you so much for those ones who gave me the New Year gifts. Wow, thank you. I love you guys. And I know there are those people who appreciate what I do, and that's why you can see they're wishing me all that. Thank you. I also love you too. And I can't stop thanking you guys, those ones who gave me the New Year gifts. Wow, it was a surprise to me, and indeed, guys, you did a great work, and I was very excited, very happy, yes, with my family. Thank you so much. So now, yeah, as you can see, I'm doing my pinning, and it's trying to do it behind. But the good thing, what I realized, it is very soft, so the styling can look very lovely. So you can try it out. I told you that I always do it my way. Do it my way. Excuse me. If you have been there, you have not yet watched a video of how to style the butterfly locks, I think yes, you can watch it now, so that you should do the butterfly locks when you're comfortable, knowing that you can style it, you can do anything with it. So this is how you do it very smartly, and I know you're going to like it. Shout out to everyone who's watching me from United States of America, France, Germany, UK, yes, and those ones in United United Emirates, yes, Cote d'Ivoire, Kenya, Nairobi, Ghana, Nigeria. Wow, I love you so much. Yes, I go by the names of Morris the Crochet Master on my personal account that is on Instagram. You can still follow me up and we chat more. I like friends, I like sharing ideas, and still you can follow Hair Zipper. Yes, wow, I like it. You can follow the Hair Zipper page for more pictures of these hairstyles. For now, let me sign out and Happy New Year. I love you guys. May God bless you. Bye bye.